Hello friends, welcome to the technical channel. Friends, in this video I will show you how to SEO any YouTube video. Means if your video not rank in the YouTube channel, to how to rank your video in YouTube channel. When someone search your YouTube video but you cannot find your video, no one cannot find your video, so how to rank your video in YouTube channel. So this in this video I will show you how to SEO your video. So at this for this reason you have to go to vidiq. This is the software where you can set your searchable parameters. By you can your video can be searched on the first rank or about the second rank in YouTube list. So this parameter is very important for YouTube. This vidiq is also technical collaborative YouTube channel. So this is very important and software in the YouTube channel. So friends, you have to log in at first, the login in the vidiq the channel, then you have to go to the optimize. Okay, and you can see there are lots of videos there. After that, after login, you can see just reset any parameter, or you have to select any parameter, or you have to choose any parameter. But this parameter to choose, if the settings will be done as per your requirement. Okay, like that you can see that like the shocking truth of unboxing. Just I am just click on this video and you can see that there are lots of parameters there. There are also SEO score and checklist. So in this there are title, okay, description and tags and keywords, you can see that. So and you can also see that there are SEO score is 50 out of 100. Means this is, or friends, I want to say another thing, that there are checklist, okay, is the SEO score. There are two type of items, that actionable items and second one is performance. In actionable items, this is your parameter, you have to set this, and the performance is depend upon your video ranking. If your video ranking in after searching, then the as per performance your video get the point or score. So the SEO score for actionable item is 50 and for performance there is 50. So you have to select the actionable items. Actionable items, the maximum number is score is 50. You can see I have just doing the tag volume, keywords in title, keywords in description, and now my SEO score is 50. But my video just now this only not rank in the first page. I have to check it what is the reason. So for this reason this is the 0, just getting the 0. After ranking, the after based upon performance, my upon point or number or score will be gradual increase, and that may be 30 or 40 become the 50 numbers, then my score will be 80 or 90. Okay, so this is the main parameter, this is the basic theme in this video. Now so you have to use this vidiq software for to get the searchable your video in YouTube list. So this is the main thing, I just showing that. So for this reason you have to go to title, you have to set the title, then hashtag, then tag in title. Okay, after that you have to select the description. As per the hashtag, you have to select the hashtag about 10 to 12 hashtag. Then you have to set the there are some reasonable in type of title parameters like description. You can get this from the keywords tool from Google. You can get, you have to type the any type of item, like in type of subjects. If you search there Sony something TV, but as per your requirement, then there we find the lots of description is there. Then you have to copy and paste there. Okay, next I have to go another thing, like just wait friends. The next thing is tags. The tags you can get from keywords. Just you have to click on keywords, just like you just type this, you can get the YouTube videos SEO kaise kare. Then you have to select it, add keywords, then you have to reload it. So automatically you get the recommended keywords there, and you have to select it. Then you have to recommend keyword and select it. And this is the procedure to get the tags. This is the not the normal tags. This is the very important tags. These are recommended keywords where you can get from this vidiq software. And finally, you have to submit this video. You can see that a video has been changed. So this is the main procedure to how to get your video searchable in YouTube list. Okay, so friends, this is my video. If you like my video, then please give me a click or like, and if you are new in my channel, then just subscribe my channel. So friends, just bye bye, take care, tata.